Hi class, this week we will be working on planning a virtual tour or a virtual field trip. This is a great option to help our students visualize and see places that we might not be able to take them to. Sometimes as teachers it is hard to find the money or the means to take our students places that might be too far or too expensive. Google Earth is a great tool that can allow us to bring the places to our students through the use of technology. One of the first things that you will do this week is go to the class webpage. Once you have access to the class webpage, you can click on week 5 and you will see that one of the first things that you will need to do is download Google Earth. After you have downloaded Google Earth, you will be able to access some examples. One of the examples I would like to show you today is the Huck Finn example. This is a virtual tour that was created for students that will be reading the book Huck Finn. Notice that the file huckfinn.kmz appears right in Google Earth. I'm going to click on the small plus sign icon next to huckfinn.kmz, and this will show me the contents of the file. Notice that one of the first things included in that file is a folder that has a general explanation of this tour. This general explanation tells me that this is a pre-reading assignment. When I click on the first place mark, it takes me to an activity. The person who created this tour is asking his or her students to use the ruler tool to measure the width of the Provo River. If I were a student accessing this tour, I would click on my ruler tool and measure the width of the Provo River. I can do this in miles or in any of these other options here. Now if I click on place mark number 4, this takes me to the Mississippi River and asks me to measure the distance across the widest point of the Mississippi River. These measuring activities can help students understand the context of the book Huck Finn before they begin reading the book. Google Earth has a lot of other features. You can create polygons, paths, or add images to your tours. There is another example that I would like to show you. This one is Anne Frank. In this tour, the person who created the tour included an image overlay to help students understand the secret annex where the Franks were in hiding. This person used the image overlay feature to include a picture that helps us see where the Franks were in hiding. Google Earth has a lot of features, and we have included tutorials this week so that you can become familiar with the different features of Google Earth. If you go back to the class webpage, you will see that we have also included a way for you to plan your tour. We are asking you this week to plan your tour by telling us the 4 locations that you will include in your tour, the activities that you will have your students do, and the Google Earth content that you will be using in your tour. This week will be a planning week, and then next week we will actually create the tour. So we hope that this week you will use the time to become familiar with the features of Google Earth by watching our tutorials and planning your tour. If you have any questions about Google Earth or how to plan your tour, please contact me and we will find answers to any of your questions. Good luck and have a great week.